Let me show you how to sign into your YouTube app on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you downloaded and installed the YouTube app and you want to sign in so that you can start watching videos, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing you're going to do is head into the App Store. If you haven't already, you can just hit search and you can search for the YouTube app to download and install it on your iPhone. You can use the web-based version, just go to youtube.com, but it's easier and more convenient to download the app. So just download and install the YouTube app. After you've done that, let's open up the app and you can see it says try searching to get started. And you can hit the explore page and you can go through and start watching things. So you can use the YouTube app without signing in, but you'll get a lot more added benefit by signing in. You can do that by tapping on the U button at the bottom right. It might be at the top right depending on your specific phone. After you've done that, you can see sign in. Now keep in mind when you go to sign into your Google or YouTube account, they are one and the same. So YouTube is owned by Google. So if you have a Google or Gmail account, that's where you're going to sign in for. You can see it already recognizes one of my accounts on here, my email. But if this doesn't show up, you can either hit manage accounts on this device or add an account. And it says YouTube wants to sign in. So just hit continue. And now from here, it's fairly easy. You can see it should auto pop up with your sign in credentials, your email address, and your password. From here, I can use the passkey, let's see, to auto fill that. And just like that, I have signed in, again, just for this specific account. I can tap on it, and just like that, I am signed in. It shows me my history, my playlist. I can go home, and this is a curated feed of all of the videos that YouTube thinks I want to watch based on that specific account. I hope this helps. If it did, again, hit that subscribe button down below. It's the best way you can say thank you. Thank you.